For businesses that operate on a project basis, whether it's construction firms, marketing agencies, IT consultancies, or any organization delivering services or products through specific projects, understanding the true cost and profitability of each undertaking is crucial. This is where job costing comes into play. It's a method of tracking all the expenses associated with a particular project to determine its overall cost and ultimately, its profitability. So, for businesses considering or currently using Sage Intacct, a key question arises. Does Sage Intacct have job costing capabilities? The answer is a resounding yes. Sage Intacct is a sophisticated cloud-based financial management platform specifically designed to handle the complexities of project-based businesses, and robust job costing functionality is a core component of its offerings. It goes beyond basic accounting software by providing the tools necessary to meticulously track and analyze project-related costs, offering invaluable insights into project performance and overall business profitability. At its heart, Sage Intacct's job costing feature allows businesses to capture all direct and indirect costs associated with a specific project. Direct costs are those that can be directly attributed to a particular project, such as labor costs for team members working on the project, the cost of materials used, and any subcontractor fees specifically incurred for that project. Indirect costs, on the other hand, are overhead expenses that benefit multiple projects but need to be allocated appropriately. Examples include rent for office space, utilities, and administrative salaries. Sage Intacct provides mechanisms to allocate these indirect costs to individual projects based on predefined rules or allocation methods. One of the key strengths of Sage Intacct's job costing is its ability to track costs in real time. As expenses are incurred, whether it's timesheets submitted by employees, purchase orders for materials, or vendor invoices, these costs can be directly linked to the relevant project within the system. This real-time tracking provides project managers and financial teams with an up-to-date view of project expenditures, allowing for proactive cost management and early identification of potential overruns. Sage Intacct's job costing capabilities extend to various aspects of project financial management. It allows for the creation of detailed project budgets, which serve as a benchmark against which actual costs can be compared. This budget-to-actual analysis is a powerful tool for monitoring project performance and ensuring that projects stay within their financial boundaries. Any deviations from the budget can be quickly identified and investigated, allowing for timely corrective actions. Furthermore, Sage Intacct facilitates the tracking of labor costs with precision. Employees can enter their time against specific projects and tasks, providing a detailed breakdown of labor hours spent on each undertaking. This not only allows for accurate project costing but also provides valuable insights into team productivity and resource allocation. The system can often integrate with payroll systems to ensure that labor costs are accurately reflected in project financials. Beyond labor and materials, Sage Intacct enables the tracking of other project-related expenses, such as travel costs, consultant fees, and equipment rentals. All these costs can be categorized and assigned to the appropriate project, providing a comprehensive view of the total project expenditure. This detailed cost tracking is essential for accurate profitability analysis and informed decision-making. Sage Intacct's job costing features also extend to revenue recognition for projects. For businesses that bill clients based on project milestones or time and materials, Sage Intacct offers functionalities to manage and recognize revenue according to different accounting standards and billing schedules. This ensures that revenue is accurately matched with the associated costs, providing a true picture of project profitability over its lifecycle. The reporting capabilities within Sage Intacct are another significant advantage for project-based businesses. The system offers a range of customizable reports that provide valuable insights into project costs, profitability, and performance. These reports can include details such as total project costs, cost breakdowns by category, budget variances, and project profitability margins. Project managers and stakeholders can leverage these reports to monitor project health, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions. For instance, a project manager could run a report to see the actual labor costs incurred on a specific phase of a project compared to the budgeted amount. If there's a significant variance, they can investigate the reasons behind it and take corrective actions, such as reallocating resources or adjusting the project schedule. Similarly, Financial teams can use project profitability reports to identify the most and least profitable types of projects, informing future business strategies and pricing decisions.